morning we're going up to Tehachapi, and we're going to try to load that little Bay City crane and haul it over to Darren's house and drop it off there. And I think we got a full crew. I think Darren from Brite Valley, Darren from California City, Tom from Bear Valley will be there, Bobby will be there, and we're just gonna see what we can do, get it loaded up, get it unloaded, maybe have a little visit at Darren's house, and anyway, should be some fun. Join us and see what happens.
Doesn't he? Yeah. Maybe he's gonna pull it with the binders. I don't know.
I don't think he really gives a shit how he goes.
No, he does not. Is this going to your house too? Is your wife in favor of having the junkyard transplanted to your house?
She's pissed. I don't want to hear about it. I said it's all temporary. It's not going to be here that long. She's going, well, you need to put all that shit. She's pissed about the Peterbilt.
Oh.
The cab over.
Oh. Uh-oh.
She goes, why'd you buy that piece of shit?
What is that? Aerodyne? What's the name of that?
Kenworth?
The
100 Aerodyne.
Aerodyne.
I said, she goes, well, normally the trucks you buy are really cool, and that thing looks like a cereal box. I said, well, back in the day,
that was a big deal.
That was a badass truck. And she goes, yeah, I don't see it. I'm like, well, you know, wait till I get done with it. I might make like a real short hay hauler out of it, chrome everything on the bottom, stacks, you know. She goes, all you're doing is putting lipstick on a pig then.
Maybe she doesn't like your ducky one either, huh?
No, she loves that one.
Oh, okay.
She goes, she didn't like it when I was building it, but for what I bought the rollback and everything for.
Yeah. Now she does when you holler, hey.
I says, yeah, whenever we get our place, it's gonna come in handy, you know. And she goes, yeah. So since it's been working up here, she realizes
It's got a value.
that's the best truck we got.
I thought he was going to tip it, push it a little bit with his forks.
I thought it was too, but I guess he ain't.
We're wrong.
We're wrong.
Go in one and out the other hole. That's what those are made for. Or you come down here. See, you come in there and out here with the chain. And then it'll be flat too.
Everything around the shop, Darren, it makes it look like I'm busy. Not like I'm busy enough.
Right.
It makes me look busier, right?
I see things all over the place.
Huh?
I see things all over the place, projects.
I know, but you haven't seen the shop all.
We just started to kind of clear up in the last 10 minutes.
You haven't seen the shop all stuffed full of shit, though.
Oh, I went in there before when you had those those 6x or whatever they are.
Yeah. Never had any 6x.
What were they?
Got a power wagon.
Power wagons, yeah. They were fancy.
Foggy and cold.
49.
It's like 36 degrees. So I took Cody's heavy coat off and I put his light coat on him.
Pardon? I thought you seen that one.
Yeah, I went up there.
Huh?
I don't know, 34.
Let me see. I want to look. You are a very good cook.
Oh, you're a sweetheart.
It was good.
You gotta unload all that stuff and then go back over there and cut the
So the junkyard has been transferred to yours.
Migrating.
Right. You lucky bum.
Well, some of it. Some of it was like, okay, how long is that going to be here? But
Oh, I love your truck. Oh my God, the little ducky truck.
Yeah. It's fun. That was quite a good film with the fog coming in and out and the sun coming out.
Oh yeah, except I was shaking so bad, freezing. What is this, a Bronco?
Yeah, that's a lot different than the last time we saw it. I love the hubcaps.
The wheels.
They're actual wheels?
Yeah, those are, I tell you, those are about 2 of them sets in the world.
Is
Really?
that right?
They're 19 hours on a CNC 5-axis machine.
Jesus.
And they're billet wheels, hand painted,
So,
polished.
is this for
Look like
somebody
a
but not
That is
yourself?
awesome.
Is it for you or for somebody
No,
else?
this is for,
Can I make a picture of
Oh,
it?
yeah.
Look at the fancy wheels and the Warner hubs and oh my God, you can't even fit the engine in there.
it's a 5.0 Coyote out of a Mustang.
Oh my God. Well, he won't even keep it on the road.
Yeah.
That'll be hard.
You gotta hear this thing, though. This thing sounds good.
All right, we're
It
going.
makes you wonder how he's just gonna keep it on the road.
That is the truth. Jesus, look at that. The exhaust manifold. Oh my God. We had a Bronco, but not like this. Even the exhaust looks like spaghetti.
That's the intake manifold.
Intake manifold, yeah.
420 horsepower. From the factory, capable of 1100.
It what?
420 horsepower. It's a 5.0 Coyote Mustang motor.
Yeah.
Forward. And this stock configuration is capable of 1100 horsepower.
Jeez. Well, and is this enough radiator?
Yep.
Man.
This is what I'm trying to get finished up and get out of here.
Yeah, it's beautiful though. Those are the seats and you had those redone and everything.
Yeah, that's what I've been waiting 9 months for, so I can continue to finish it.
It's beautiful. He's so beautiful.
Custom.